Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What a day. The studio is green. We are up despite Virgin Galactic being down today. It's all about balance of portfolio. So let's bring all the information that you need on the screen. There is the information. All below is our links to our social media. You can comment on the show. You can become a member. We have members now in 25 countries of the world. Absolutely brilliant. Our most recent was Morocco and Costa Rica yesterday and today. So there we go. Very, very nice indeed. Welcome everybody. Let's get right into the live chat. And who was here first once the show started? We've got Crag. Hiya, Crag. Welcome. We had lots of videos go out in the last hour, 6 in fact. Falafel, Salam, Habis, and Habitis. Habibtis. I think I got that right. No idea what that means, but welcome to you, Falafel. How are you? What part of the world are you from? We have members in 25 countries. Let's see if your flag is flown here. Hi, Crag, Mike. Hi, Liam. Hello to all. A man from Earth. Welcome, a man from Earth. Right, we've got an hour to go before the bell goes. And for those of you that do watch my videos in all those languages, I translate into 14 languages. I did the first 3 of the 6. The next, the 3 that just run. The Mullen one's just running right now, and there's a couple of others. They will be following shortly. The other 3 translations will follow shortly. All right, let's look at our positions today. Our overall position, and let's have a look. Here we go. Let's have a quick look where we are today. This is my overall portfolio. It's green. The Roth IRA, nearly, just $78 under, and our all-time high of 60,000. We are 1,100 off. Algeria. We don't have anybody from Algeria yet, Falafel. As you can see, you'd be the very first person to be a member from Algeria, and then forever the flag would be yours, and you could tell everybody that flag represents you. We are a global show. We are hoping to become the first channel in the world that has audiences from every single country live in the show. That's my aim. We've now got 25 countries out of 195, so we're doing very well. And we would love to add Algeria to the list, okay? How do you become a member? Well, here is how you become a member. Let me give you the link, and you might like to do it. Here it is. You get many, many perks, 20 times back what you put in. That's why everyone's a member. You can see 95% of our live viewers are members. Because of that, we have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. All right. Okie dokie. Would love to hear something from Virgin Galactic or tomorrow. It's been 6 days already. I'm right with you. I totally agree with you. I've been trying to bring out all the information I can. There's not a lot to say right now, though. Just how to cope with the fear. What else have we got? Sub was found and just debris. Yes, indeed. Just a few moments, I was going to open the show with that, but I got sidetracked. Just a few moments to think about that for a moment. One of our own here, a Virgin Galactic customer, a ticket holder, was lost, and of course they've now found the sub. It's imploded. So obviously there obviously is no survivors. There could not possibly be any survivors. Tragic, absolutely tragic news, awful news, and yeah, very, very sad situation that is. Henrik from Denmark, thank you for your subscription. About space, chairman sadly passing away and the interim replacement. Yes, indeed, that was news a couple of days ago. I think we mentioned that on the show. Doug Burt 1997 on Twitch. Thank you for that. Try to join, but country restriction is preventing me joining membership. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Use VPN, but payment method failed. I'm so sorry. Unfortunately, we can't fly. We'd love to fly the flag from you. That's a great shame. But I know Russia can't sign up either. We got a lot of Russian people that join our show, and they can't join in because of that as well. Anyway, great shame. Great shame. There's no news to come out really apart from a day they're flying. Indeed. And that's what we're waiting for. We know the window opens on the 27th. It could be on the 27th if the weather's fine, there's no complications. Like last time, it could happen on the 27th. And so we'll see. But I'm more interested to see who the flights are over the next few months, regular flights, who's flying. That's what I'm looking forward to seeing. It had a catastrophic implosion. Yes, can you imagine? They wouldn't have known it. They wouldn't have known it at all. It would have gone in a microsecond and instantly crushed. Poof, that'd have been it. They wouldn't have known it in a second. All those lives and the money they had. Oh yeah, a lot of. As I say, wasn't one of them a billionaire? Anyway, speed, you're growing, Martyn. I'll invest in you. Well, you can invest in me. You actually can invest in me. First of all, there are two ways. You can be a member now and you'll never pay any more for membership. 5 years, 10 years from now, I've made that promise. My memberships will never go up in price. However, the benefits and perks will continue to go up. Also, you can buy my NFTs. I'm working on an NFT collection, and I want all my members to own them just for a couple of bucks, start to trade them. So you basically can buy members. You can buy my NFTs as, if you like, shares in Martyn Lucas Investor. And you can buy those. I want to make them as cheap as possible, and I want to see everybody trading them and selling them and making money from them. So yes, I am working on that. I had a false start at it, didn't like the way it was, but I'm going to do it again. And yes, that's happening. Terrible news to hear. Evolution has a way of weeding out the weak and the dumb. Oh dear. Not very nice, Sammy. Let's have a bit of thought, really. Think about it for the families. Think of the families who have lost their loved ones anyway. Craig, I know, maybe they'll announce something about the live stream. For instance, if they'll have people covering it. Of course they'll have people covering it, Finn. Me, I'll be covering the live stream. You can bet your ass on it. But whatever, everybody's going to watch Martyn Lucas. There you go. But whatever, everybody's going to watch Martyn Lucas anyway. Absolutely, I'll cover it. Don't you worry about that. Don't you worry. If there's any information, if there's any flight, I'll be covering it. Don't you worry about that, Finn. That was funny. Yes, 100% Finn. Crushed like an aluminium beer can. Yeah, in a split second. Happy midsummer. Space, we wait for the run. Indeed. Kimo, welcome to you. Good stuff. All right, there you go. Welcome to all our members. We have members in 25 countries around the world. Welcome to all of you with the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. Incredible. 95% of you are members. Fantastic. Right, the S&P is up today. Very nice indeed. It all bounced back after that little pullback. I trimmed off the top. Happy to do so. I didn't buy back in. Because I have to use that money that I'm earning APY on right now with Robinhood to pay for my new computer. I have no choice. I've got to do that. Virgin Galactic is still down, but it's come back up. It was down 10%. We've gained 5% today. Very, very nice indeed. My overall portfolio is green because of that. Virgin Orbit, we're just watching it to see it to get delisted. Rivian, awful, loses money. Tesla, look at that again, did it up 61% now. Couldn't be happier. Let me go to my main Roth position. This is where I have it. 52%, I beg your pardon. It was 61% or whatever it was. 61 on my main account, but I don't have any shares in there right now. Tesla is up 52%. I've got 26% of my portfolio on my Roth, 16 shares, over $4,000. If I carry on like this, I'll be able to trade my shares for a Tesla car. Brilliant. Lucid, worth nothing. It's going private, in my opinion. Apple, up 1.48. Fantastic. That's my AI investment, if you like, there. I'm not trimming any more. I've already done it. We're gaining speed now. The portfolio is going up quicker and quicker. We're starting to see a nice little rally now. Did you all sell out? Did you all get fearful this morning? There we go. We're coming up to 59,000 again. Very, very nice indeed. Each time we get these down spikes, these downtrends, the uptick becomes a bit stronger. Pablo Silva, thank you for your like on Facebook. Thank you very much. We are just a few away now from our target on Facebook. Very excited. On Facebook, we're trying to get to 1,000 followers on my page. Now, some of you haven't yet followed me on my page, so I'm going to give you the link right now in the chat. If you've not yet done it, we're trying to get to 1,000 followers. That's me liking my own stream, because I do that. I get criticized for it, but I don't care. I always like my own stuff. I love what I do, and I like my own stuff. What's wrong with that? Let me just, talking of which, I'm just liking a couple of posts that I missed. How did I miss those? No idea. That's not good. Here we go. Looking on the page. This is our Facebook page. The purpose of Facebook is it actually grows us on YouTube. YouTube is the home, but we use Facebook to help us, and it really does make a difference. So that's why we do it. Okay. Let me give everyone, I don't know if you have the information for my Facebook page. It's below all my videos. Let's see if we can get there today. Look, we're right on the button, 943. Has anybody not yet followed me on my page? There you go. I'll give it you 3 times in the chat. There is the Facebook page, 943. We're very close. And if anybody wants to be my personal friend on Facebook, I want to get closer to my members here. As we get bigger, we're getting lots of scammers and bots and copycat accounts. There's my personal Facebook. If you are in the live chat and you're someone I'm talking to, I will accept your friend request. I only have a handful of spots available. You're only allowed 5,000 friends, and I want to have all my members as friends as my personal profile. I'd like that very much. Okay, Amazon, McDonald's. You cannot overbuy Amazon. You cannot overbuy McDonald's. What's Amazon up now? 29%. Oh my gosh, I've got $7,000 in Amazon. That's grown quick. Oh, that could do with being trimmed, couldn't it? $7,000 of Amazon. Bloody hell. That's 17.5% of my portfolio. Anyway, didn't intend it to get that big that quick. Coca-Cola. Now, this has surprised me because Coca-Cola, we've gone through the ex-dividend date, and it's still going up. It just shows you how the markets are, how this is not. Many of you have mentioned when I always talk about it as one of my top positions. Many of you have gone, well, it hasn't moved very much recently. It hasn't. It's been going sideways for a year. So it's due its next climb. And now is a great time. In fact, it was a week ago, because a few days ago, you could have got the dividends, and it hasn't had any real growth for nearly a year. If you look here, we're at 41% up over 5 years, and going back, look, we've had no growth for a year. We've had no growth really since 2002. And it's a good, solid company with good, solid dividends. So owning Coca-Cola now is very good. And in fact, you can see as I'm talking about it, my defensives and my stables are going up quickly. We might even hit an all-time high today. I know that sounds a long way off, $1,000 and $1,070, but we actually could, because we've had a big overreaction to Fed Jerome Powell, and now we are seeing it rally quickly. Anyway, okay, Pablo Silva sent me a friend request. I want to see if this is you. I need to confirm in the chat if this is you, any of my audience. I'm only accepting friend requests from my audience. So Pablo, is that you? Pablo Silva Brennett, if you are in the chat right now. Pablo, come on into YouTube now. I want to confirm you're a real person, not a scammer or a bot. So Pablo, I don't know if you're over on Facebook right now. Jump on in to YouTube and confirm that's you, and I'll gladly accept you as a friend. Oh, yes, it's me. Fantastic. Well, I would love to. You're one of my members. Absolutely love to accept all my members. Brilliant. Thank you, Pablo. Lovely. So, Coca-Cola, doing great. All right, really good. Can't recommend it enough. And I can't recommend McDonald's enough because it's not, it's about leasing land. You can never overpay it. It doesn't matter where you buy it. It doesn't matter where you buy it, land always goes up. It just keeps on going up and up and up. If you have that in your portfolio, I'm already up nearly 6%. I only bought it like a week ago, I don't know, month ago. The dividends are good. It's great. Love it. Now then, J&J. Let me look at my J&J. We're still not making money on the main account from J&J, but we're only 0.2 away now. We're $4 away. So it's nothing. We're set to make money, and the dividends are coming in soon as well. On the Roth IRA, we are up nearly 3.5%. Brilliant. Really, really good. Love it. Again, same thing. It's at the bottom of its channel. This is a consistently strong stock with a great dividend king forever ever improving. So you definitely want that in your portfolio. Ali Isles here, Love Island fans. How are you? Lovely to have you here. How are you, mate? Brilliant. Brilliant. Lovely to have you here. 943. I'm just checking. Today we're trying to go over the top. We're trying to get 1,000 followers on Facebook. So we've got 943 now. So J&J looking good. Let me bring in the comments. I don't like Facebook. Too many scammers. I know. Well, that's why I've got to be careful, Bill. Yes, it's me. Pablo's now part of the family. Ali Isles, one of our original. Ali Isles was there, by the way, at the convention in England on our first annual event. Really good. I'm up 445% with IMGN. Congratulations, mate. Do you know what? That's such a good number. I'm going to give you one of these. Brilliant. Absolutely great. Very, very nice, Ali Isles. Lovely to have you here. How's the business going? Chemo Lane has liked the stream. Thank you over there on Facebook. Lovely. If you jump into YouTube and let me know that you're one of my members, I would love to accept you as a personal friend on Facebook. I've only got a few friend requests left. Microsoft up. I'm up 40% on it. I only wish I owned more. Walmart. I've only got one share of it. Doing well. Tesco. We're now starting to see Tesco go down. That's because of the inflation in the UK. We were at $10. We're now down to $9.47. What it does, it comes all the way back down again. We know where it's going. We know how to trade this one. We've been here before. This is what it does. You catch it on the bottom of its channel. It's got great dividends. You buy it down here, and it just does the same thing over and over again. It's a good one to own. I like owning Tesco. On the way back down, though. Next Era Energy. There we go. It's down 1.29 still. Still haven't made any money, but the dividends have been useful. Look, I had my first payout the other day. Look, every quarter, $13. $13. I get paid every quarter now. So that's basically what, $5 a month, $4 a month, something like that. Yeah, $4.50 a month. Yeah, $4.50, $4.33 a month I earn on Next Era Energy just by holding it. Very nice. Enphase, Bitcoin, doing well, but in danger of going back down to 15. Polygon, same thing. I buy it for the use case, but I bought it when it went down 38%, so I'm happy. Tilray has had a bit of a rally today. Not much, though. Still a long, long way to go. Robinhood, my 10x stocks. My 10x stock. I like this one. I'm up nearly 10% on it now, 9.78. And I've got another position on my Roth as well where I trade it. I'm up 7.71. Very nice indeed. Trailing stop loss at 10% behind, but it keeps going up. That's the way to go, Ali. Just be aware, of course, that the stop trail loss is never guaranteed. That's why some brokerages offer a what do you call it? An insurance. Francesco Hentoni has just followed me on Twitter. Well, Francesco, if you want to grow on Twitter, I will comment back to you. I don't know if you're watching me live on the show. There you go. If you comment and you're one of my members here, I will comment back to all of your comments. One of the things I do for my members is I reply to all of my members. I'm still actually able to do it to non-members, but it's getting harder and harder every day. I'm getting to the point now, I'm already past it, to be honest, where I haven't got the time, but I'm still trying to do it because I want to get to 1 million views and I want to grow the best channel in the world. So I'm still replying to every comment. So if you want me to, if it helps your channel grow, I'm more than happy. So just comment back and I can follow you. I can comment back to you. Would love to do that. Right. Okay. Kim O'Lane. Oh, you follow me on, that's Twitch, isn't it? Right. I'm going to just do something for you now, Francesco, because you've been so nice. Let me get it up over here and bring up this here. Martyn Lucas, Twitter follow investor. Here it is. I'm going to post onto your wall. This is your wall here, and you've just followed me, which is very kind of you. Do you have any tweets? You've replied to one. Yes, there he is. He's commented here. So Francesco, I'm going to reply to you there. Welcome you to the Lucasades. There you go. And that'll help your channel grow because engagement is what it's all about. All right. I've just commented on your wall like that. All right. Excellent stuff. Brilliant. We all grow together. That's what this channel is all about. Right. Mike, woohoo, he says, business is okay. I tuned a Mercedes E63 AMG today. Lovely stuff. How about that? 700 brake horsepower. Nice, Ali. Very nice indeed. Robinhood, let's go back to Virgin Galactic. We're just trimming back down again. We had a nice little rally a few moments ago, but it's just cooling off a little bit again. But that's all right. That's all part of it. We've got 4 days to go and 17 hours for our second anniversary. Now, for those of you that didn't watch it last year, the anniversaries, the birthdays of the show are always quite special. They are members only because nobody wants to see me trading stocks while I'm having a few beers and maybe too much beer, to be honest. Nobody wants to see that, so it's members only. The members are fine with it because they're doing the same thing. And if anyone's thinking, no, they're not, the members aren't doing it. Oh, yes, they are. Look at this. Let me share with you. Is it in the breakfast bar? Yeah. The general chit-chat. Look, the general chit-chat. Let me show you. The members are joining me with their own whiskey and beers. This is Signor Palotto Holt. He's bringing his whiskey. Going to join you with a whiskey on Friday. It's not Friday. It's Tuesday. So it's not tomorrow. But make sure you get the day right. Stephen Lewandowski, he's got his Glenmorangie. He's ready to go. And the Queen is ready to go. So it's going to be quite a fun day. It is members only, though, just so you know. All right. Anyway. Let's make sure. Have we got any more members to upgrade? No, they were all done. The S&P is just selling off now. I'm not going anywhere. Virgin Galactic, it is a shame we're getting this constant downtrend, but the overall markets are struggling, so it's perfectly normal. I put a video out earlier about the FIFO concern, in case anybody didn't realise about the FIFO situation. And I want to share this with you as well. When we hit 10,000 subscribers, we're able to do fundraisers for our charity events. where the charity gets all the money. YouTube do not take any fees. Queen of Self-Braiding is going to have one of my fundraiser events, and it'd be great because at 10,000, the super chats go directly to the registered charity, and there's no deduction. It's really, really a great perk once you get to 10,000 subscribers. And we're on target for the end of the year, if not earlier. Anyway, it might be a lot earlier at the rate we're going at the moment. Thanks for the follow over there on Twitch. Good afternoon, all. Hey, Ali, how are you? I'll just have to drink Whiskey Friday and Tuesday then. Yes, absolutely. You do it twice. Do it twice. I won't be able to join you, I'm afraid, because I do limit myself to 5 drunken shows a year. I think that's enough for anyone, but on Tuesday, of course, members only, that's what we'll be doing. Be a lot of fun. Anyway, hopefully we'll get to 1 million views on by the birthday. Got 4 days to go. If everybody's looping the shorts playlist, we will. We're right on the line. We're not ahead or behind. I'll show you exactly, for those of you that are following it every day, going, how close are we? 4 days to go, and this is why everyone needs to be playing the shorts playlist. Let me share with everybody. Here's the actual numbers. Look. Here it is. This is how close we are. Look. Here it is. I'm just getting the page up. 981,000. So we need 19,000 views between now and Tuesday, which is going to be hard because the weekend we always get less views, because when I'm not putting anything out and going live, it drops off. If we can do it, it's going to be an absolutely mental day on Tuesday. I'm going to get all carried away with 1 million views. All right. Anyway, it's up to you. I hope you'll do it. This is the playlist. I'll give it to you now. Right, let's go through more of the stocks and let's cover some more things and some news. Here is the shorts playlist in the chat right now. Here it comes. Right, there we go. Let me have a quick visit with our friends over there on Rumble this afternoon. We always have a guy called Midnight. Let's see if he's there. Let's see if Midnight's there. We've got 8 watching. Oh, there's a commercial break. I've never seen a commercial break on my channel before. There we go. There's 8 there, but nobody in the live chat. That's unusual. And let's see who's watching me on Facebook. I'll give it to you as well. Let's see who's there. And there is the link. I'm from South Africa. Hey, we've got lots of friends from South Africa. Let me put you on the screen. We've got S the Rebella. S the Rebella. There you go. Look, we've got Uganda, South Africa, and we've got quite a few, actually. I say quite a few. I think we get about 4 or 5 people from Africa. I think, maybe more. Anyway, there is the countries coming across now. Welcome to you. Lovely to have you here. The South African flag is flying. You'll see it in a second. We have got South Africa, haven't we? Tell me I have. I thought, yes, I do. I do. Right. Let me come back to, we've got a guest just come in here. 15 months in the family. Wow. Ali Isles, can you believe it? Sup, Martin? Mirren Jansen. Hello, Mirren. Where are you from, Mirren? Where are you from? We've turned red. The studio's got to go back to red again. That's a shame. We were green for a moment.
iTuning has become a member. 15 months in the family. Heart.
I love it. I love it. Welcome, Ali. Incredible, isn't it, really? We've been here that long. Mirren Jansen, where are you from? Love to know who you are, where you're from. I'm here to help people, support your YouTube channel, get everyone to subscribe to you, make money for charities. We're trying to be the best, most honest. From the Netherlands. Fantastic. I play regularly. I used to at the Maxim's Piano Bar in Amsterdam. We haven't got anybody from the Netherlands. We have a couple of viewers who watch, but they've never become a member yet. We're hoping to add the Netherlands to our 26th country. And if you become a member, you will be forever flying the flag for the Netherlands. Yeah, I play at the Maxim's Liederstrasse in the centre of Amsterdam, near the King's Palace. There you go. There's a membership. Let's see if he becomes a member, and you'll get 20 times back what you put in. It's why everyone's a member, and I will go to work for you, helping you in many, many ways. Miran Jansen, he's from the Netherlands. Hello, Paddy. Here's Paddy from Italy. Welcome. Hey, hang on a minute. Have we got it? Yes, we have. I just thought for a minute, is Italy flat? No, it is. Can't believe I forgot that. It'll be crazy when I'm saying 5 years. Hey, you know it's going to happen, right? I'm never going to give up until we're the best, most honest, biggest, and powerful and amazing YouTube family in the world. That's what I want. Virgin Galactic is still selling off. It's weak, but like I put a video out earlier, to calm the nerves, we need to explain that we are still up at 2.9 on the week. And if we look at the month, we're up 27%. It's very important to calm the nerves and, realize that we're doing well. It's not a surprise when the markets are the way they are at the moment. Perfectly normal. Good evening, says Paddy. How are you? Great to have you here. Okay. Alex, welcome. Rivian. Let me check some more news. Oh, here we go. This is important. Let me put it on the screen. We can share this with you. And let's bring it in now. The Dow is down 0.19. The S&P is up 0.15. The Nasdaq is up 0.68. Patty, how's the pasta and a la vodka? I remember those days. What about the jam? What was it? The sauce. The spices. What was it? The sauce. Do you remember that with Bill? Everybody was mad on the sauces. Do you remember that? That was funny, right? We had all sorts of drama with the sauces. Do you remember that? It was Saucegate. Was it called Saucegate? I think it was. Something like that. Very, very entertaining. Anyway, we're getting very excited now. We're just 4 days away from our anniversary. Can't believe it's the second year already. Tesla is, in fact, I can believe it. I've sat here, I've worked my arse off for 2 years. Trust me, I can believe it. Bill's got the sources. That's it. There's sources from Bill. Lucid. Going private, absolutely rubbish. I've got no love for this at all. It's rubbish. I don't know what to say. Peter Rawlinson, honestly, should be fired for what he's paying himself. If I'm not even going to tell you how much it is. I want you to go and do your own research, and you will fall over when you find out how much Peter Rawlinson pays himself as a CEO. All I will say is, this company is losing money. It's going to go bankrupt. It's going to go private. All the shareholders have lost all their money. And yet, he is the 5th highest paid CEO in the world. If that is not evidence to tell you how manipulated that stock is and how much it's going private, I'm absolutely beyond how you can come on an earnings call when all your shareholders are losing all their money when you are one of the in the top 5 earning CEOs in the world. I mean, it's pretty bad, right? It's pretty bad. But anyway, there it is. You decide whether he's worth that money or not. You will not believe when you find out how much money he gets. You'll go, I didn't even realize someone could be paid that amount of money. He gets paid more money than all the presidents of the world added together. It's absolutely flipping bonkers. And yet the company keeps losing money. They lose $500,000 on every car. All he's got to do is take a pay cut and they'll be profitable. It's that dramatic. All right, go and check it out. Can't believe it. Apple up 1.38. Mullen. Well, I put a video out earlier. I asked you to leave a comment. Did everyone watch the Mullen video? And do you believe it's a scam now? Let me refresh this page. And you can go and have a look at the latest videos. Here we are. Let me just... Here are the latest videos. Come on. Now this channel's doing it. There's something so weird. Have we got anybody who's really like computer savvy? Because the most strangest thing is happening here. Look at this. We had it this morning. I mentioned it. I've restarted my computer. I've logged out. I've cleaned cache. I've done cookies. I've done all these things. Look at this. This is really, really weird, right? Okay. Let me go up to here. You won't be able to get your head around this. Okay. It makes no sense. If anyone knows the answer to this, you will blow me away. Watch this. Watch this. Right? I've got two screens. Okay? The same website, the same link. There is my Martyn Lucas Investor Channel right here. If I go to videos on this screen, this is my top screen, okay? There's all the videos. All the thumbnails load perfectly. Okay? Make sense? Right? If I now go down to this screen, this is the screen below. It loads the video, it loads the website perfectly. But on the video, look, all the videos are fine. Look, everything's fine. But on the videos page, it does that. And if I drag this page up to the top screen, it doesn't do that. It only does it on this screen. How weird is that? Has anyone got any idea why that is the case? I cannot for the life of me work out how that could possibly even be a thing, but it is. Anyway, I don't want to go on about it. If anyone has any idea at all how that does that, I've never seen anything like it. I cannot for the life of me work it out. We've gone green again. That's good. Let's have a look. Early investors paid pennies for preferred stock and lockup period is over and they are cashing out their investments for a profit, just like any investor. Who's making profit on Mullen right now? I mean, what's the point? I don't know if that's what you're talking about. Martin, I just became a member on Discord. Let's go. Let's go. Mirren Jansen, that's very nice of you. I really, really appreciate that. But the membership on Discord is for those who wish to support the Discord service. It's got nothing to do with YouTube membership. I gave you this link here. That's very, very nice of you. And the Discord is so you are recognized for supporting our Discord server. I thank you for that, but it's not the YouTube membership. That's completely different. That's why I gave you this link here. Let me give you this link here. This is the YouTube link. You've gone and become a member on Discord, which is fine. I thank you for that. You are supporting the service. But it's the YouTube membership where you need to be a member if you want all the perks and benefits. Okay? The people that are members for me, rip me. I'm sorry, mate. I'm sorry. The people that support the Discord server are wishing to do so because they wish to support the server. It's got nothing to do with all the extra perks. I'm surprised you even got in that quick. Because I don't see you in the welcome all. Anyway, it takes 10 minutes to get through Discord. And come into the welcome all, and I'll upgrade you to all the benefits you get for that. Anyway. Mark, I just became a member. Let's go Netherlands. I can't wait to have you as a member. A comment about Rivian last week. Arrived the first Rivian truck. Rivian serves the Amazon in our area. Absolutely right. Arrived the first Rivian truck in Chile. We have a member from Chile. Is that you, Pablo? They will be homologated to begin sales in September, probably. Next model to arrive is the SUV R1S. Very nice. Thanks for letting me know. If you get any pictures, send them into Discord, Pablo. And we can share them on the show. We'd love to. You are a member, so you've got access to Discord. Anyway, Miriam Jansen, welcome. Yeah, he became one of our members on Discord. Even so, I can't see him though. I don't know where he actually is. But anyway, thank you, said Miriam Jansen. Lucid. You're talking about Lucid. Let me scroll back up. I've got the comments out of context. Early investors paid pennies for a preferred stock and lockup period is over, so they are cashing out. I see. Yeah, but it makes no sense though. Falafel, the stock makes no sense. If you look at the numbers, they're going bankrupt. If you look at the numbers and all the... remember, I sit and look at this chart and I read Lucid information 10 hours a day, every single trading day for 2 years. I've read all the reports. I've followed all the live earnings. I've seen all the filings, all the technical, the financials, and all the false news that was created around it. And it's clearly to me obvious that the stock is being not scammed, but hyped to get it to dump. People making up stories. The news isn't always accurate. Peter Rawlinson's paying himself way too much money. The 5th highest CEO in the world on a company that's losing $500,000 every time it sells a car. That should be illegal. I mean, technically it's not, of course. You can do what you like, but it's ridiculous. Anyway, let's read more questions. Hey, what's up, Stephen? Alex? Oh, rip me, says Mirren Jansen. Yeah, you went off and did your own thing. Next time, pay attention. Tilray will explode by the end of this year. Tilray will explode by the end of this year. I hope so. For your sake, more honestly. You are a big investor with Tilray. We certainly hope so for all of our sakes. I doubled my position. Blimey. And we already know you got over 100,000. So very good, very nice. Stephen, hello there. Lucid and CEN. Aaron Anthony, one of my friends on Facebook. How are you, mate? Same, both EV, but selling for less than a penny. Lucid and Lucid is not less than a penny, so I'm not sure I know what you mean by that. People, Rich, how are you, mate? Martyn Visnevskis, what have we got here? Hey, what is your opinion about Robinhood companies' share price? Robinhood is a 10x. As a 10x. Absolutely right, Martin. Here is Miron. Here he is. There he is. I'm going to celebrate Miron because Miron has a very, very special badge. Oh yeah, Miron. This is you here on Discord. He now has. He's green. Okay, he's green, which means he's one of our supporters. He supports the server and the service that we provide. Thank you ever so much, Miran. And he has a heart of gold for doing so. See it there, look? So whenever you see Miran from the Netherlands around the Discord server, unfortunately, only YouTube members can get access to all the exclusive memberships. The reason for being a member on Discord is you are just supporting the channel. It's normally done by YouTube members who then want to support the Discord channel. That's what it's for, and that's how it works. But anyway, thank you very much for your support there. This is my Robinhood. This is my Robinhood. I believe it's a 10x. I've got a big portion of my portfolio, 15.89% of my Roth, and my main brokerage is 3.72. This is my real shares, my real money, all of my real money, all of my real shares. Yes, I need about 3 minutes in welcome all. There, I can see you now. Yep, you are in. There you are. As I say, I can't upgrade you as a YouTube member, but thank you ever so much for your support, supporting the Discord server. people who have bought tickets in 2013 for the first flight on Virgin Galactic, including Leonardo DiCaprio, Angelina Jolie, Tom Hanks, Brad Pitt, Katy Perry, Justin Bieber, plenty to rally on. To rally on. Rich, I have never seen any evidence of the names of the ticket holders. Never. I know you're saying that, but Rich, you are a member of Discord of YouTube, so you are able to share those links. Send them in to me on Discord, and I would love to share to the world. It would make great information and a great video. There is no evidence. I speak to Virgin Galactic every day, research it every day, and I have never seen a list of the names that you have given. Where did you get the names from? Give me the link on Discord, and I will happily share it, promote it, because that will help the stock. Not massively, but I think it's a good story. I'd love to share it if you've got that information. First flights, I should say. But where have you got those names from? Hi, Alex. It'd be a dream to fly over into space. Well, I'm hoping that the Virgin Galactic song will be played in space, and I want to go myself. Mr. Lucas, when Tilray hits $10, I will super chat you 5,000. This is a promise. Oh my God. How about that? Mohammed Kahain. Mohammed Kahain is going to make me the richest man in the world. Look at that. If it goes to $10, he's going to tip me 5,000. Do you know what you'd have to do to tip me $5,000, Mohammed? You'd either have to do a crypto tip, which is martynlucas.com/tip. You can do that. Or you'd have to do 10 $500 super chats. Absolutely brilliant. If you're going to do that amount, I strongly recommend that you do the crypto tip, martynlucas.com/tip. Your name will come on the screen, and there's no middleman, and there's no taxes. Well, there is taxes, of course, but you know what I'm saying. There's no credit card fees or anything to YouTube. So anyway, I look forward to that then, seeing it go to $10. Mirren Jansen is smiling. Thank you again for your support. If anyone sees, in fact, we'll do it right now, look. Mirren Jansen has gone into Discord and become a subscriber of our channel on Discord. That is supporting the channel. If anyone could pop in there and say hello to him and welcome him in, he's got the Heart of Gold badge and he's in green. That's how you can always recognise our sponsors of the Discord server. Lolo Mocha, I'll roll you one when I'm counting my winnings. Win it $10. Yeah. Go Jojo. I saw the same name somewhere. I saw the names somewhere. Yeah, but where? You know, we have the reputation for being the most honest, reliable channel on YouTube TV. We can't just make up stories. We don't do that. If there's no information, I cannot report on it. I will do 10 500 super chats. I'm a millionaire when it hits $10. Oh, brilliant. I tell you what, I am so excited. I'll be like jumping up and down with that one, mate. I'll be jumping up and down. Absolutely brilliant. Pablo has just sent in some information. Thank you, Pablo. He's one of our YouTube members. He's just sent in, this is one of the perks you have, into Discord. He sent me the information about Rivian. Thank you for that. I will make a video on that later. Thank you very much. And suggestions, Pablo has sent it in suggestions. And here's my suggestion to you. Always when you send things in, send them in just once. It's the best way to be on the server. And if you want to send me links in, just so you know for next time, the best place is links for YouTube. Links for YouTube. If you go into there and post it, that's where people put links in for me to make videos on. Links for YouTube. So you become one of my researchers. And I massively appreciate that. Anyway, Lewis Martin. We are now friends on Facebook. That's right, isn't it, mate? I think we are. Hopefully Rich has proof of those names. Yes, I mean, people say it all the time. And I need to know, I can't just make up stuff, all right? I won't do it. I won't do it. That's not what this channel does, okay? You all know that now. We have 95% of live members who are viewers, live viewers who are members, because we are the most honest channel on YouTube TV. Just found this from Forbes. It turns out Musk was one of the Branson's earliest backers. He bought his ticket on Virgin Galactic all the way back in 2006, according to a former Virgin Galactic executive. Again, send it in, links for YouTube on Discord. That's where we need it. That's where we need it. Otherwise, it means absolutely nothing. Lewis Hamilton. That was funny. Lewis knows what I'm talking about. Why can I not see you in... Oh, there he is. Oh, you're not a member. That's why you can't send it in. You're not a YouTube member. Oh, that's why. Now I understand. When I send you each 500 Super Chat, would you please take a shot for each Super Chat? Deal. Absolutely. Not only that, no, thank you, Pablo. He said Pablo's right on it this afternoon. He's gone, all right then. I'll post it 3 bloody times. So he's put it in links for YouTube. Rivian in Chile. There we go. Thank you, Pablo. I will absolutely do that. Thank you so much indeed. Any idea on what happened to space today? Yes, Gavin Fleming. I put out 4 videos explaining it today. I've put out 4 videos on the homepage of my channel. There's the videos explaining it. We had the interest rates this morning. I explained what that was all about. I then explained the fear of Virgin Galactic, the FIFO rule with Virgin Galactic, Tilray news, some more news on Virgin Galactic, and then is Mullen a scam? These are all on the homepage of my YouTube channel. So yes, I answered it fully this morning. Mohammed, I will do much more than that. I will make a special video in your honor and absolutely make a big deal out of it, because that's a huge thing. Any idea on what happened to space today? There's the answer. Ryan, how many stocks do you hold? What are your top 3? How many stocks do I hold? How many companies am I invested in? I think I'm invested in about 30 different companies. Elon Musk bought his ticket. Zach, Zed Hink has just sent in the information about the ticket holders, or at least Elon Musk. Great. I will make a video on that. Just posted link in YouTube links. I've got it. Thank you very much indeed. I can cover that. I can make a video on that. This is good. And we've got Pablo's Rivian as well. Very good. I've now got some more work to do. Here is the Justin Bieber link. Rich, you can't post a link in YouTube chat. You can't do that. It won't let you. The links, if you put a link here, I don't see it. No one sees it. You're not allowed to share links. That's what Discord is for. That's what Discord is for. That's why we have it. I don't know if you're on Discord yet. Let me give you the link. We still not got a member yet from the Netherlands. I was hoping we'd have Mirren Jansen, and whoever's going to be the first person will fly the flag for their country forever. I'm never going anywhere. I've been live now for 2 years in 4 days' time. Anyway, Rich, go and get into Discord, and then you can send in that link to me. Right, the S&P is going up. Virgin Galactic is going back down again. I will do that. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla. Have you ever bought options? No, I don't believe in options. I like buying the companies. I don't buy shares. I buy companies. I like to own the company. Whoa! 30 seconds to go. How did I nearly miss that? Today's bell is sponsored by Sensei Crypto. Can't believe it. You can sponsor the bell for $10 a day to have your name. Tomorrow's bell is sponsored. We've got a star guest tomorrow. And right now it is this is our regular sponsor who sponsors the channel for commercials and breaks and everything else. And here we go in just 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell is now gone. All right, there we go. Sensei Crypto is sponsoring our bell every day. You can sponsor it for $10. Have your business recognized on the screen. A man from Earth has just gifted Sammy. Sammy has just won a membership. Look at this. Sammy, you've just won a membership. He's watching the show. And Sammy, you can now upgrade all your accounts. For 1 month, it will do that. Look at that. A man from Earth has just gifted a bronze membership and Sammy has just won. Sammy, come on in, say hello. You've just won. We can upgrade you. Hey. Oh, it's not gonna give me a mention because there's no comment. Anyway, Sammy, congratulations. You are now a member and we can upgrade your account. All right. Now then, what country are you in? A man from Earth. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? I don't think there's anybody watching, because what it does, it's when someone buys a membership, it finds somebody who's most engaged on the channel over time and picks that person. But nearly every single person is a member. And if everyone was a member, it would find the next day and it would award somebody the next day. That's how it works. Delph, we love you. You're a Delph. Delph, where are you from? I can't read that out. It was very nice. Thank you very much indeed. Lucky Sammy, thanks. A man from Earth. Yeah, I know. He gets a month membership for free. It will expire in a month if he doesn't renew it, but he will get the access for a month. Excellent stuff. Right, Virgin Galactic is up in the after hours. Let's see what's going on. We often get some action in the after hours from Virgin Galactic. Lewis Martin, got a video to send you, Martin. Elon Musk has booked a ticket coming from the main man, Richard Branson himself. Lewis, unfortunately, you're not a YouTube member. I can't get your links. You can't. It won't let you send a link. Belgium, we have no member from Belgium yet. Do you want to be our very first member from Belgium and you will forever fly the flag? Let me just check. No, we have Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Portugal, Ireland, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, Germany, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Denmark, Mauritius, Czech Republic, Lithuania, Romania, Morocco, and Costa Rica. We have no member from Belgium or the Netherlands. So there you go. We've got 25 countries that we are now watched in. I will give you the link and you can become one of the Lucas Aids, get all the perks and benefits, plus, of course, you'll fly the flag for your country forever, and it'll always be your flag. I love to help. A man from Earth, you're amazing. Thank you so much indeed. I hope that person comes in, Sammy comes in, and realizes, well, he will realize because it sends him an email. Hello from Bosnia and Herzegovina. Hey, what's your native language? Bosnia and we haven't got a member from your country either. What language is that? What's the native language of Bosnia? Native language of Bosnia. Native language of Bosnia. Native language of Bosnia. It is Bosnian, Serbian, or Croatian. So, I'm hoping I'll get this right. We can do it in, so Bosnian. Let me see. Hello? Yes, I can do it in Bosnian. Muammer. Okay, I think I got that right. Muammer. Let me try. Welcome our guest from Bosnia and Herzegovina. I hope I've got your name right. Muammer. Welcome to you. If you become a member, the link is in the chat. You'll be the very first person to forever own your flag of Bosnia and Herzegovina. We go live up to 10 hours a day. We aim to be the best, most honest, real channel on YouTube TV. Welcome. Let's see if this works. I'm going to try and get his name, his or her name, I don't know. M-U-A-M-E-R. Let's have a look. Here we go.
Dobrodošao naš gost iz Bosne I Hercegovine. Nadam se da imam tvoje ime pravo. Muejm dobrodošao ti. Ako postaneš član, link je u chatu. Ti ćeš biti prva osoba koja će zauvijek posjedovati svoju zastavu Bosne I Hercegovine. Idemo uživo do 10 sati dnevno. Cilj nam je biti najbolji, najpošteniji pravi kanal na YouTube TV-u. Dobrodošli.
How about that? That was in Bosnian. How good is that? And just in case, here's Serbian.
Dobrodošli našem gostu iz Bosne I Hercegovine. Nadam se da imam tvoje ime pravo. Mulim, dobrodošli. Ako postaneš član, link je u chatu. Bićeš prva osoba koja će zauvijek posjedovati svoju zastavu Bosne Hercegovine. Idemo, živimo do 10 sati dnevno. Cilj nam je da budemo najbolji, najpošteniji pravi kanal na YouTube TV-u. Dobrodošli.
Okay, we are seeing the markets now coming up in the after hours. This is when Virgin Galactic often does something for us. Let's have a look at my overall portfolio and then let's just see. The overall portfolio is up. I didn't sell anything today. I held strong. I told you I would. That's looking good. And the Roth IRA. Now remember, this is all of my money. I only put $4 a week, $4 a week. No, that was Serbian. That was Serbian, Sam. I only put $4 a week in. I started with $5,000 2 years ago. This is all my money. 43 grand there, 15 grand there, total 58,952. And I often get asked, people go, no way, that can't be true. Well, it is true. We're live up to 10 hours a day every trading day. And to share with you, look, at the moment, and have been now for months, all I put in is $4 a week. This is my actual money, all of my money. And the reason for this, because I aim to be the most honest channel on TV. I share everything with you. This is all of my money. I sit here 10 hours a day trying to grow the best channel on YouTube TV. Okay, so there we go. We had a little bit of a bounce and then it went straight back down again. That's a bit of a shame. Let me read everyone's comments here. I've got a few more comments. Sam says, no, that was Serbian. Hey! Mumar has become a bronze member. I can't believe it. 26 countries now. That's got to be some kind of record. I don't know. I mean, that's members. 26 countries.
Muema Horik has become a member.
I don't believe it. So, are you ready? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Let me add it. Bosnia and Herzegovina. I don't even know if I've said it right. Oh my gosh. 26 countries now. Wow. Here we go. I can't believe it. Right. It's so exciting. Literally, we are a global family. I don't know. I can't imagine there are many channels in the world, can there, that have members everywhere. It's brilliant. Right. Let me do it. Let me add your country right now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I've just added Bosnia and Herzegovina. Now, I want you to know, very, very important to know, I go live every day. My aim is to raise infinite amount of money for charities. I want to be able to help everyone grow on YouTube and Twitter, promote businesses, promote you, help you, support you when you get married. I do the wedding entertainment live on the show. When we lose family members, I support you with memorials live on the show. We celebrate your birthdays. We do all those things. And I want you to know that I'm never going anywhere. I've been an entertainer for 37 years. I'm 54 years of age. I started at 16. I'm never going to give up. This is the last thing I want to do now is grow the best live TV show in the world. You will always know, Muammar Horik, that you own and always will own the flag. That is your flag there now. Bosnia and Herzegovina, that'll be your flag forever. When we've got 1 million subscribers, you will be the owner of that flag always. Okay? Now then, Virgin Galactic is taking a bit of a drop. It is. Now then, I'm going to give you, Muammar, your perks and benefits. As a bronze member, you can now ask me any question and I will answer it. You can ask me to poll the audience. I can do a poll where we can poll the audience. You can ask me to do a 10-minute review of a stock where I will back test a stock, run it through my software. If you comment on any of my videos on YouTube, I will reply back to you. If you follow me on any social media, I will comment back to you and help you grow. Here is my Twitter. If you follow me, I will comment back to any of your posts and help you grow. If you follow me on my Facebook, I will do the same. I will tag you in all my viral posts. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. I'm getting overwhelmed by it right now. Also, Muammar, I cannot believe what's just happened. Muammar, the day before, the day after, or the day of your birthday, let me know. We will celebrate happy birthday with you live in the show, and you get to keep the video. People pay me for that service, $500. You get it for free. Look at this.
Dominic Demir Bartolovic has become a member.
A gold member. Oh my God, a gold member. What country are you from? As gold members, you get 2 one-hour Zoom calls or online calls a month to help you build your YouTube channel, to ask me questions about the studio. This is our live studio. We believe it's the best live streaming studio on YouTube. We do our music concerts here in the evening. We've got our Virgin Galactic concert tomorrow night. And we are we red or green right now? I think we are still overall red, aren't we? Let me check. No, we're still, yeah, we've gone red again. There we go. Yes, so Muammar, you can have a birthday celebration. Our gold member, you can have a 20-minute fundraiser, a wedding anniversary, a party, whatever you like, plus one-on-one conversations as well if you need any help supporting your channel, YouTube. Also, Dominic, you can go on the homepage of my YouTube channel here, silver members and upwards, and I will get everyone to subscribe to you, and you can get lots of, I ask everyone, and I do it regularly as well. Wow, thank you so much, Dominic, that's a huge one. I can't believe it. You are one of 7 people, I think 7, who are gold members. I can't believe it. That's amazing. Here's your special celebration. Here we go. We've got a wonderful member here. It's a gold member. Let's do it right now. Yes! It's a gold member right now. Woohoo! Gold member. Thank you so much indeed for becoming one of our main supporters of our channel. You get lots of benefits. If you want to go on the homepage, let me know. Now, another thing that you get is all of my members can have access to Discord. And then you can call into the show. You can be live on the show. Here is the Discord link. It takes 10 minutes to get through. There is the Discord link. There is the Discord link. And once you come through, our family will greet you here on Discord. And then you can get all the information of all our trades, what we're doing before we do it. And we share everything with you, with our research team. And our researchers are all honest, there to help you. We're not selling anything. We are there to help you. Okay, so the welcome all, this is the welcome all. You'll come in here, and then once you come in here, say hello. I will upgrade your account because you are a member, a YouTube member, and you get all the perks and benefits. And don't forget on your birthday to let me know, and I'll celebrate it. And you can donate it to a family member if you prefer. Now then, I need to cover some questions here. Dominic, Croatia. We have Croatia. Oh my God, I can't believe this. 27 countries now. 27 countries around the world, 14 languages. And Dominic is from Croatia. I can't believe it. We're 2 years old in a couple of days' time, 4 days' time. And I cannot believe when I started this journey, it would get this big. This is incredible. 1, 2, 3. Whoops. Croatia. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm adding Croatia now to the stream. Croatia. I went to Croatia off a cruise ship when they were doing the when they were filming Game of Thrones. Okay.
I just want to be in the credits today. Smiley face.
I want to be in the credits. Yeah, that's how to do it. You've done it right now. Congratulations to you. You'll be in the credits. Okay, we've just added our 27th country. It's Croatia. And Croatia. So now you're a member of Croatia. I would like you to be a personal friend of mine on Facebook. I only have a few personal friends left because it only allows you 5,000 friends. Here is my personal Facebook. If you friend request me now, should you wish to do so, I will accept your friend request as you're one of my members live here on the show. There's my friend request. If you follow me here on Twitter, I will comment back to all of your posts. I can't believe it. I can't believe this is happening. I've got the best job in the world. Ah, man. Let me make sure I've not missed anybody. I would like some swing trades. Well, we trade live every day, Muammar. So you'll see what we're trading. You'll see what my team are saying every day. Space is down. Yes, it is. Matthew, it is. I'm holding tight, though. I'm not going anywhere. Some news, tech freaks. Yes, we have some news from Virgin Galactic. I put it out today here. I had the fear factor video, which explains the fear. I had the FIFO rule, which you have to abide by. Otherwise, you lose money. The Tilray news, more news, and Mullen. These are the videos that came out today. Okay. It's the sell orders at close shaking out. There was high volume. Tomorrow is Friday. Very common on a Thursday after hours. Thank you. Offering. LOL. Maximilian, how are you? It will bounce back off support 520 as long as it holds. Let's go back to Virgin Galactic. I'm not selling it at all. Dominic, welcome to gold. I can't believe it. Amazing. The Croatian flag is now flying. But why is it dropping? No news. We explained why it's dropping on the video. Big love to Croatia. Yes. Follow the VXX space. Move right with it after the bell. Thank you, Thomas Calise. No matter for me. I found you on TikTok. We're actually on TikTok at the same time. This is us on TikTok right now. Let me share with you. And this is how we do it. This is TikTok right now. Look, this is. There's TikTok right now. If you become a subscriber on TikTok to me, I make a commercial break and I get everyone to follow you. I've got 34,000 followers, and I make a video to promote you. That was you on. That's what you're watching. My phone's watching that TV screen, and then behind me we've got the studio, which is here. All right. Okay. Now then, welcome to the family, Queen. Thank you for the super chat. You will be in the credits. What do I need to become a Discord member? Well, it's free. You are now a member of YouTube, so you get it for free. Muammar. I will give you the link to Discord. It takes 10 minutes to get through. When you are through, because of security, we will upgrade your account. My team will meet you there. Mike and Eric probably. They are the welcoming committee. There is Discord. Let me make sure I got your comment. Let's have a look. Want to make sure I've got everyone. From Everest Dude, from Nepal. Everest Dude, how are you? How are you? Welcome to Everest Dude from Nepal. Incredible stuff. It's incredible. YouTube now is sharing my broadcasts all around the world. So Muammar, once you come into Discord, I'll upgrade your account, and you will be here in the welcome all, and my team will pop in and say hello. Could my team pop in to welcome our team, our new guests into Discord? You will come into here, and somebody will be in there in just a few moments. Let me just go to the welcome all. Okay. Everest Dude, welcome to you. How are you today? How is life on top of Mount Everest? Space, offering news. Look. What do you mean offering news? Space, offering news. Big Brie, I don't see any news. I don't see any news at all. I'm looking at all my live wires. Virgin Galactic. I don't see anything coming out of Virgin Galactic at the moment at all. Where are you seeing that? June, no, that's old news. No, there is no news. I'm looking at my contacts from Virgin Galactic, my personal contacts, plus the news and Google and all my other places I look. I don't see anything. If you, Big Siri, if you've got information and you're a member, you can send it in to Discord. You need to be a YouTube member to do that. I love that. Muammar. News 5 minutes ago. Space files for mixed shelf. What is mixed shelf? What does that mean? Everest Dude. Is Kenton cool? I have no idea what that means. Don't have Facebook. Don't worry about that. If you don't have Facebook, that doesn't matter. The best place is our home is YouTube. And here is the Twitter and Discord. That's all you need. And we're all speaking the same language. Yes. We're all here to help everybody. Lovely to have you here. How many more views do we need for 1 million views? Well, in 4 days' time, we are hoping to be at 1 million views for our birthday. It's on Tuesday. It's members only. We're going to be drinking all day, larking around in the studio, having some fun, and I'm going to have a look right now and tell you how many more views we need to get to 1 million views. So we're going to take a 1 minute break. We've got lots of new people in here today, lots of new members, and I want to share some music with you. For those of you who've not heard this, I'm actually the world piano man here is my music studio, and here is the Virgin Galactic song I'm hoping to have played on the rocket ship when I fly. You ready? On the rocket ship when I fly. You ready? On the rocket ship when I fly. Hang on a minute, what happened there? Hang on a minute, what happened there? Hang on a minute, what happened there? Hang on a minute, how come we're getting audio from there? That's muted. There's no audio there. How could I possibly have audio coming through? That's muted. Could it be live streamer cafe is... No, that's muted. That's muted. Where's that coming from? Where am I getting audio from? How could there possibly be any music coming from anywhere? Just bear with me. I'm getting audio coming from somewhere, and I'm trying to find out where. It can't be from there. Can't be from there. How could I be getting audio from somewhere? Where's that coming from? Okay, I'm trying to work. Oh, I know. Why is that? Oh, hang on a minute. It might be there. I think I found it. Gets too complicated sometimes. Is there anybody out there in space? Is there anybody out there in the dark? Is there anybody out there on a star to travel through space in my rocket ship, through the light and the dark and home? I remember many years ago, it started here in my record shop. I've traveled all over the world in my balloons, trains and planes. As I traveled so far and wide, I had a dream out there and far beyond. The dream has grown now, and now the time is near to travel through space in time. Is there anybody out there in space? Is there anybody out there in the dark? Is there anybody out there on a star to travel through space in my rocket ship, through the light and the black and home? I remember she was 96 years old. I lost my Eve, I lost my mum. She was taken but never lost, as she will fly you now to my dreams. This is the beginning of traveling into space for all to share and to enjoy. So So all come join us and soar into space, high above the world and back again. Is there anybody out there in space? Is there anybody out there in the dark? Is there anybody out there on a star to travel through space in my rocket ship, through the light and the black and home? Is there anybody out there in space? Is there anybody out there in the dark? Is there anybody out there on a star to travel through space in my rocket ship, through the lights and the black and home? Okay, there's the Virgin Galactic song. Now, while I was doing that, I was just reading some comments and sharing some comments. And, excuse me, I just wanted to check, is Big Bree still... Excuse me, give me a cough there this afternoon. Is Big Bree in the chat still? Just want to make sure that Big Bree is in the chat. Who played the guitar solo? As a friend of mine, it wasn't me. And yes, for the sake of it, I can't remember his name right now. He's actually quite a famous guitarist, but I can't remember his name. That's years ago. But is Big Bree in the chat? I just wanted to address a comment because I answer everyone's... Yes, I'm right. Okay. I just want to make absolutely clear what this channel is. Okay. We are, and it's why I go live 10 hours a day. If I wanted to make money, I'd just make videos and I'd sit on the beach. Okay. I go live because I want to build the best, most honest channel in the world. To do that, I go live all the time. I answer everyone's questions and so on and so forth. This is not financial advice, and this is not the Virgin Galactic exclusive news channel. That doesn't exist. No one does that, even though I'm as close to that as you can get. So I don't appreciate these sort of comments. Martyn, we want to talk about space, not Twitter BS. First of all, it's my channel, it's my show, and it's my community. And my commitment is to my members. The people that follow me on average 4 hours a day, who watch everything, who are 95% of my live viewers are members. And no one tells me what I'm doing is BS. If you don't like it, then it's not for you. However, I will answer everyone's questions. There's not another channel on planet Earth where you can demand the content that you want, and you can't, and there's not a channel on Earth where you could dictate what you get and call into the show and have everyone answering your question. No, it doesn't exist. I guarantee. Where I do that to the very best of my ability. But I can't just focus on what you want. I mean, with the greatest respect, you're not even a member. And not only that, you know, it's a community. We're here to help people. And the reason why I want people to follow me on social media is so I can help them. I earn absolutely nothing. I get no benefit from you following me on Twitter. None whatsoever. I earn no money from you following me on Twitter. I do it because I want to help my members grow online. Many people want to grow online, and by engaging with someone who's growing quickly, you can grow yourself. And I know my members like when I comment because they all comment to my posts every day. So I just wanted to answer that. And the reason why I took the time to answer your question, your comment, is because people come in and out of the channel all the time. We've got members from all around the world now, and they don't see everything. They don't understand everything. So it's my job, or it's not my job, but it's what I want to do, is to explain to everybody what's going on. So if anyone sees a comment like that, I want to address it, because we're not here to promote anything, sell anything, pump and dump a stock. We're here to build a friendly, loving, supportive family channel that is here and going to be the best YouTube channel in the world. That's what we're doing. So I hope I haven't come across too strong, but I just want you to understand what this channel is, what it isn't. It doesn't belong to anybody. No one can demand what they want. They can ask and I can include everything. But particularly from a non-member, don't use the word BS when I'm trying my best to share my social media with people, because they want to follow me. They want to be my friend, and I want to be their friend and engage with them. Because we've had people sadly on this show pass away. We've had people get married on this show. We've had people in hospital ill, and we're friends and support everyone. Weddings, birthdays, deaths in family, everything. We're here for everyone and everybody. We're not here just to talk about Virgin Galactic. You won't get, or any stock for that matter. We're here for the people. Okay, I hope that makes sense. And there we go. I wanted to make absolutely clear what this channel is. Anyway. And remember, I can't just do what everybody wants or one individual wants. I'm monitoring 14 screens. And remember, not only am I entertaining and talking to you on different platforms, I'm also trading and investing my own real money and looking at 14 odd screens. And on each screen, there's about 30 tabs open, and I'm monitoring all of that, all on my own. Anyway. Pablo, I was wondering, have you ever asked your members how did they get to know your channel? On my case, I used to, and I don't anymore, because there are so many things to answer, so many things going on. I prioritize with just answering questions, running the show. I haven't got the time for another question, honestly. Pablo, that's exactly how I became a member. Let me read down. See, SEC filing for space. I think that's what you're saying. It's a 3-year offering. Pablo, are you the same as Pablo on the same as Stockwitz? Let me read down these comments. This is thank you, Jojo. This is the most inclusive, diverse, and welcoming YouTube TV channel in space. Thank you very much. I love that song, and I've written and recorded so many songs. Thank you, Man from Earth. Martin, who played the guitar? I told you I can't remember his name. I hope the Virgin Galactic CEO hears this and makes you ambassador for Virgin Galactic. You alone lift the stock. Thank you, Rock. I appreciate that. Thomas Calise. Thomas Calise has a lot of interesting information for me, and I'm hoping that Thomas is going to become a member, and not because I earn $2 a month from him. That's not the reason. But once we can verify Thomas' information, he does have a lot of very useful information, which I would like to use on the show. And if Thomas, I'm always trying to build a community of knowledge and information that you can share on Discord. But it must be something that we can verify and see and share. I don't want information that I can't share, but I'd love you to be part of the family. You can also call in, ask me a question, or tell anybody, or provide great content. I'm hoping that one day you will do that. A new product and expecting a run in pride could be a positive sign. One thing to keep in mind for these types of offerings is companies generally file them when they are releasing a new product and expect a run up in price. Could be a positive sign. I wouldn't worry. A shelf registration is a public offering where a company can offer multiple types of securities. Don't have to be issued immediately. The company can choose to issue them whenever needed. Robert Rose, Robert Rose wants to know, not relevant, it's not a relevant stock question, but I will share it. Robert Rose wants to know, do we have any LGBTQ in here? Or LGBTQIA? Why don't we just say the whole alphabet now? I don't know what that's all about. When it was LGB, it kind of made sense. Now it's LGBTQIAZ. It's every letter. I don't know anymore. It's too complicated for me. I struggle with that. I don't know what's going on. This is a sign for me that when they have learned from their mistakes and don't want to directly affect price action, if we see a bull run with the upcoming flights, I much prefer this than offering. I have not seen any news aside from the mention of space registering for mixed shelf size not disclosed. I hope this will not tank the stock. There's no letter from me, Robert. I identify as a dog. Just me. Wherever I am, that's who I am. I've always been the same. Let the rest of us be. Robert, why? Let the rest of us be. We got a good debate breaking out now. I apologize for being rude. Thank you very much. I appreciate that, mate. We are friends. The only reason why I address that, and thank you very much for saying, is because people come in and out very quickly and they don't know what's going on. That's why I read everyone's comments and answer everyone's comments, because I don't want anyone to be confused or left out. This is to make people feel good, make people money, support people, grow their channels, grow their everything. This is to help everybody. So my job is, if I give myself a job, is to answer everyone's questions. And I appreciate you saying that. I do. The breaking news was important for the space community, I'm sure. And if you become a member, Big Bree, I can't do every single thing. I can't report on every news item of every stock, and I do try. I am in this studio 12 hours a day, online 10 hours a day. If you have any information that you want to share, for a couple of bucks, you can become a member. Not because I want $2 out of you. It's so I can verify you and people can take you seriously, because you could be a scammer. You could be a 10-year-old kid. We don't know. If you are a member, you can call in. And if you call in, you can tell the world, and I can show the world the links of what is going on with the news that you want to share, and you can actually make a difference. And right now, you can speak to 27 countries on 20 platforms at the same time. It's better for you to call into my show than it is to go on the BBC or the CNN or Fox. They don't go out to 27 countries. I do. So if you want to be part of that and speak to the world and be part of the most honest YouTube TV channel in the world, you can do that. You can call in and be on the show. And I would love you to, because I'm trying to now build a team, an inner circle of people that can provide this sort of service. And this is what it's like when you call in. This is what it's like. I've had celebrities call in. This is Kurt Wookert. Kurt Wookert is a big deal in crypto. He called in, and this is what he did.
I'm Kurt Wookert Jr., and I am blessed to have been on The Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and GorillaPool.com. It's been a pleasure.
There you go. And I've got a list now of people, celebrities, well-known faces that at some point when it's the right time are going to come on my show. But right now, it's open to everyone. Be part of it and have a say, contribute to the show. You can do it. All right?
Hey, how are you, Martyn? I love this show. You know what? Everybody become a member to the Martyn Lucas channel. We love each other. We cry together. We laugh
Thomas
together.
Callis has
We
become a
confuse the
member.
hell out of each other. There ain't no reason why not to join.
Yeah, I'm part of the community with Martyn because it's true and it's honest, and everyone's.
We've got a lot of members coming in now. I've noticed that we've just got another member, a gold member.
Started watching on TikTok, and I was totally against doing stocks, but after watching you for about 5 to 7 days, I dove in, put $1,000 into Robinhood, and gave this a try. I've been watching what you've been doing. I've been following and trading the way that you've been trading, and today I made a profit after yesterday, so big thumbs up. It really was exciting to me, and all day today I've been waiting for the Virgin Galactic to take off and be able to reinvest and get back in, because I did that today with you.
You should definitely join the day trader, join us, join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together, and Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter, we just get straight to it.
Rich sent the Justin Bieber tweet link on Discord from Branson. You've sent it into Discord. Rich, let me have a look. You've sent some information in. I'm going to... Thomas, I haven't missed you. Let me go into... Is it links for YouTube? Where have you sent that? Links for YouTube. That's where it needs to be on Discord. I don't have that. Before I come back to Thomas Calise, who's just become a member, I want to go into Discord. I think we've had a number of people just come in who want upgrading. So I want to make sure that we've done all those people. And Thomas Calise, I haven't forgotten you. I will come right back to you in a second, okay? As far as Virgin Galactic, let's stay calm. Let's not get too overheated about it. So let me have a look. Who's just come in? Brandon Muller. Brandon Muller. Can you confirm on YouTube that this is you? Brandon Muller. If you're not in, I'll move on. Brandon. I don't see Brandon in the chat. If that is you, I can upgrade your account. You need to let me know if you're in. Who else have we got? Dominic Demar Bartolovich. Dominic, are you in YouTube right now? Let me just... Dominic, let me put all the links in links for YouTube, please. That's where you need to do it. Rich, I may not have upgraded you. That's what this is for now, to upgrade you so you can see those channels. Dominic, is this you? Is this you on Discord? I want to just do a bit of housework before we come back to our latest gold member. It is me, Brandon Muller. That is you. Okay. So Brandon Muller, you are a YouTube member, so I can go now to here. We don't need to change your name because you have the same name, which is great. I'm going to give you a role. Whoops. I'm going to give you a role now as YouTube. Oh, you've already got it. I've already done you. Add as a friend. I'm going to add you as a friend now because my members will only friend my friends, because you'll get people pretend to be me. They can't be me because I'm the only person who can be called Martyn Lucas on my server now. It's a new upgraded service that only started yesterday. Who else do we have? Dominic. Dominic has just come on in. Let me see Dominic a moment. Dominic, yes, it's me. Dominic, we've got the correct name. That's good. Let me go down and add you as a friend. So you get a friend request. If it's not accepted, I will cancel it in 24 hours. Dominic and Rolls, YouTube member. You can now see all the, you can call in live to the show. This is how you can call in, be part of the show in the broadcast lounge here. And these are all the members' channels. You can see all this information. Every morning we meet in the breakfast bar, share information here, what you're doing. That's what we do every morning to make friends and meet everybody from around the world. Muammar, is that you? This is our friend from the Netherlands. I think he's now become a member. Muammar, let me have a look. Have I added Muammar yet? with our country flag. Muammar. This is, although this was Bosnia and Herzegovina, if I'm correct. Is this you? Okay, on Discord. Just a minute. I'm going to come back to our gold member in a moment. I haven't forgotten you. Muammar, just let me know that's you. Once I know it's you. Richie, is that Rich? I need to upgrade Rich. Rich, is that you? You are a gold member. Rich, is this you? Rich, is this you on Discord? Sorry for the spelling mistakes. Okay. Is that you? Richie, can you just confirm that's you? So we've got Richie and we've got Muammar. Rich, yes, it is. So the first thing I need to do, Rich, is give you the same name on here. It's only a nickname. Add as a friend. Okay. And I will, excuse me, I will give you membership status. Here we go. Member. And I will just change your nickname on here just so we know who you are. You can be any name you want. This is just your nickname on my server. Okay. All right. And the same for you. You can now see all the public channels and all the members' channels as well. You can now also call in. So there we go. You can now call into the show, be part of it on video or just on phone call. Right, I didn't hear back from Muammar. We'll come back to that if we do get you there. If Muammar comes back. Now then, during all of that, we had somebody win a membership called Toes. Congratulations, you have just won a membership. Thomas Calise. Now, this could be a very interesting connection. Thomas Calise offers some very interesting points on charts and stuff like that. Thomas Calise, let me just first of all welcome you as a gold member. Let me just celebrate now. A gold member this afternoon. Here we go. Yes, a gold member. Thank you very much, Thomas Calise. Where are you from in the world? What part of the world are you from? Are we flying your flag yet? Now, Thomas, in addition to all the bronze and silver members, you also can go on the homepage of my YouTube channel if you request it. I won't do it automatically. You have to request it. We can get everyone to subscribe to your channel. If you want to, you can go on here. You can access Discord, so you can call into the show. Here is the link. It takes 10 minutes to get through. Here is the link to Discord. All right. And you can call in. I'm from NYC in Manhattan. Lovely stuff. Thank you. I visited New York. I did a couple of gigs there at the Billy, what was his name? I forget his name now. A Motown star from the 60s. I played in his bar. It'll come to me in a minute. Anyway. Thomas, thank you for your support. You also have 2 1-hour calls a month should you wish to discuss with me about my channel, growing on YouTube, anything like that. It is, and you can book it through Calendly if you want to book your spots with me. You can. You get discounts on all the shops, in the information, and all the rest of it. Now then, well, we're doing a bit of maintenance here on the channel. No, not Billy Joel. No, it wasn't Billy Joel. He played the guitar. Oh, that's ridiculous. Doesn't everyone play the guitar? It'll come to me in a minute. Anyway, I can't think for a minute what his name was. Anyway. Before we went to the song, we had a question from Stephen, who said, how close are we to the 1 million views? Well, it won't refresh until in the morning. But I can tell you that we are at 981,000 views. It will refresh in the morning. Not Lord Varys. No, not Billy Ray. No. Is that Billy Ray Cyrus? Oh, flipping heck. It nearly came to me then went away again. Not Chuck Berry. Someone's got a club in New York, right on 42nd Street, I think it is, right near the Phantom of the Opera, just across the road from there. And anyway, it'll come to me in a minute. So we have Elon Musk and Justin Bieber booking tickets for space. Get them on the rocket, Lewis Martin. So you said you sent that to me in Discord. Let me go and have a look. I need all the things in. Could be a nice catalyst. Rich. Yes. Lewis Martin. Justin Bieber. Let me have a look at it. That was June 5th, 2013. Okay. I need to wake Eckstein. No, it wasn't that. Doesn't everyone play guitar? Maybe, but not very good. BB King. That's the one. Thank you. BB King. Yes, absolutely. BB King. Finally, absolutely right. No, sent in Facebook Messenger. Thank you very much indeed. Elon Musk has a ticket. Thank you for that, Lewis. I will go and check that out. If you can get onto Discord, it makes it easier. But I will look at the information that you've sent in and make a video if I can use the information. All right? Okay. Now, the broadcast lounge is open. If anybody wants to call in, I'm leaving the broadcast lounge open. Now then, I want to let everyone know, tomorrow we have a bit of a surprise. We have a guest sponsoring our bell tomorrow. We have several sponsors, as you know, but we also have a sponsor of the bell whenever you want to. It's $10 and you can sponsor the bell. We have a guest tomorrow sponsoring our bell, and we're very excited about that. So I hope it does well for you. I know it will. 19,000 views to go, 15-second videos. Yes, here's the shorts playlist if you want to help us get to 1 million views. Now, just so you know, on Tuesday for the birthday, it's a members-only event. The general public do not want to watch me sit here getting drunk while trading stocks and shares. It is a members-only for the family. The S&P is going up. Virgin Galactic is still going down. If anyone's got any information on Virgin Galactic right now and they want to share it, we've just added everybody now onto Discord, you can call in. If you have information now that you want to share audibly or with a video or share a screen, you can. All right. Okay. Now then, we have a special event tomorrow night. Does everyone know what it is? We have a special event tomorrow night on my music channel. We have a Virgin Galactic special event tomorrow night. It's here. It's the Virgin Galactic concert to raise awareness for Virgin Galactic. I'm going to be doing all my voices, 14 voices, 7 languages, 650 songs I can do. You can request a song from my website. This is the event tomorrow night. It's the Virgin Galactic concert tomorrow night, and you can request Rocket Man songs. Here it is. I need everyone to promote it and share it around social media. It will go at this time exactly 24 hours from now, exactly. Where we are right now, 24 hours from now, there it is. Now, if you want to if you want to request a song, we're going to be very busy tomorrow night. Go to my website. This is my website, and go to the song list. Choose a song that you want me to dedicate to somebody, and I will perform a live concert. This is the song list. Here it is. This is my website. I'll give you the song list page, because tomorrow night, I think you're going to need to order songs ahead of time. Send them in, either a comment on YouTube, I'll reply to all my members, or Discord. Probably just as easy to go on to comments on YouTube or wherever you want to communicate with me. But this is the song list. You can see all my song list on my website. Okay, for the Virgin Galactic concert, 24 hours exactly from now. Okay, martynlucas.com is the website, and here is the video. It's a live broadcast tomorrow, and the idea is to show the world about Virgin Galactic. There'll be Virgin Galactic video content, Sir Richard Branson, there'll be live music, everything. That's tomorrow night. It's Friday night music night, but we're also going to have images of and video of Sir Richard Branson, the rocket, everything else during the live event. So it'll be a special night. Birthday is Tuesday. I'll be at Def Leppard and Motley Crue in Dublin. Darn it. I'll send you a video. Brilliant. Send in a video and we can play it. If you record a video now, or if anybody wants to send messages played on the birthday during the show, you can record them on Discord, send them in, and I will play them on the day. If you want to say something, why you've watched the show over the last 2 years or whatever it might be. Okay. Let me come back to Virgin Galactic. I want to hear from this. I've not had a chance to look at this yet. Virgin Galactic closed its 300 million common stock raise, and it's beginning another ATM at the market raise for up to 400 million to fund expansion. Well, folks, we said dilution was coming. We said it was coming, and I said the stock would hold above 5. Do you remember I said it would go to 7, back down to 5? Well, it didn't get to 7, did it? It didn't quite get to 7, and now I'm hoping it will hold above 5. My thoughts on this are, before we had the information of regular flights, I would have regarded it as a good thing, because a company are raising money to build more rockets. They said they wouldn't do it, but I said they would. Remember that? On the earnings call, which we covered live, as we cover all the earnings calls for all our stocks, they said they would not raise by dilution. They would find other ways. And I said they will raise money through dilution, and they have. So, again, never being completely honest, but that's business, I guess. A month ago, before the information of regular flight, I would have been concerned that the stock could go to 150. I think they've done it now because they need to raise funds, obviously. But I think the interest in the flights is going to be so overwhelming in the next few weeks that it's going to continue going up from here. I think the shareholders are going to be happy. If we'd not had the regular flight announcement, which to me is more important than the Italian Air Force, we would have been going down to 150. Now, this is the reason why I wasn't adding more. I said I won't add more. This is my main position. This is my Roth position. If we were raising funds to pay ourselves wages, I would be out of the stock. But to build rockets and so on, that's fine. That's fine. And I said I think it's going to get to $7. I've said consistently, you can check all my videos. I've said I think it will get to $7 and then fall back to 5. It didn't get that far. But I think it can hold above 5. If it goes lower to 4 or 3, I'll buy more. I'm not going to buy any more though, because it would overweight my portfolio, and I want to make sure that I'm balanced on my portfolio. So I'll only buy more at 3, and then I would trim off when it went back up to 6, which it will, and I will end up with the same size again, make a bit of money, but keep it under control. So I'm okay with this because now they're doing it for the right reason. So Matthew Cryans, Virgin Galactic closed its 300 million common stock raise and is beginning another at-the-market raise for another 400 million to fund expansion of its spacecraft fleet. I'm fine with that. Matthew, that is correct. Thomas Calise, Matthew Cryans, and anybody else, the broadcast lounge is open. Would anyone like to call in and have their input on what I've just said? What's your thoughts on it? What do you think? Special event Friday, whiskey time. Looking forward to it. Yes. Jojo, birthday's on Tuesday. I'll be at Def Leppard. But yes, you will. But we'll be live all day. You can't be there all day, can you? Got my dates wrong. I'll be drinking whiskey with you all on Tuesday. Oh, good. Support levels at 520 and then 475. Okay, Thomas Calise is looking at the chart. I understand what you're saying. That's why I'm not buying until it goes down into the 3s. It's why I didn't add any more. This is I would have thought they would have waited. Obviously, they needed to get on. I would have thought they'd have waited to $7, $8, $9, at least 7. But there we go. It is what it is. Because I think 7 would have fallen to 5. Well, we ended up the news coming in around about 560, so it's fallen back. But I think it's going to hold up. I don't think we're going to have too much selling off from here. Does anyone agree with me? Does anybody want to call in? The phone line is open. All right, if anybody wants to call in. Right, it's 4 o'clock. I need to get off. I've got 3 more videos I need to translate into all my 14 languages. I put 6 videos out today, plus the 2 live shows, and I've not had chance yet to translate the last 3 videos. So I've got to go and do that now. So I need to end the show because we've got an audience in 27. Is it 27 now? 27 countries. And I go out in 14 languages. I can't do 27. I can, but it would just take... I just don't have enough time. I'm already working 12 hours a day as it is. Right. Can I get... Martyn, very happy to be part of the community and support you. God bless. I want to say, Thomas, thank you so much for being a gold member. Let me tell you what it means to me, right? This is just I'm just going to talk direct. When we get a gold member, I need to call you a gold customer then for a minute. When we get a gold member, I want to just tell you what it means to me, right? So you understand. So you understand where I come from. I've been the world piano man. I've toured. I've performed as a phantom. I've toured all over the world as the world piano man. And at my heyday, when I performed one night in Vegas, I could earn £25,000 in a night. I would pay the British Philharmonic Orchestra and I would pay my dancers, but I used to earn a lot of money. And all that got destroyed when COVID came, and then I retired anyway because I came to America to marry Leah. So that's where I come from as an entertainer, as a performer. All right, I used to do Michael Jackson. I had the hair. Anyway, it's a long story. So when COVID happened, I decided to build an online show, but I wanted it to be like my theatre days. That's why I built this TV studio. So I would feel at home as if I was on stage the way I used to be. Because I never saw anybody from the theatre stages. when I performed all over the world, I never saw anyone with a spotlight in my eyes. It was like playing in this studio. I had the same quality of sound, the same quality. In fact, I used the same microphone, the Neumann microphone, which they use in Capitol Records, just over there, look, just there. That's what I used. For me, it feels at home. So bear with me. And that's why I built this. And for the first year, over a year, I was live every day and earning nothing. And I started earning money about a year ago, and I started earning $1 a day. It's now about $10 a day. It's going up now all the time. Hence why I can only put $4 a week into the, excuse me, that's that Coke, $4 a week into my market. But I believe investing in yourself. And I know that if I commit and I provide you, if I take care of you and answer everyone's questions and, give everyone support, make everyone feel special and appreciated, we can grow the best channel in the world, because everyone is really in it for themselves and just making money. I am doing it to build an audience. So when I go live, YouTube don't know how to process the video, right? And once it's finished, nobody watches, apart from the few members, the videos back, because they're 3, 4, 5 hours long. Who the hell would watch them? People watch the short videos. So I don't make any money on these videos. The only way I survive is the members. And the members are now covering my mobile, the internet, the electricity, and because I've got no mortgage, car loan, I've paid all that off, I can put $4 a week into the market and I'm surviving. And I know in a year from now, this could be $1 million channel. That's not why I'm doing it, but I know that the good times are going to come. So all the super chats and all the memberships are what keep this channel going. So you being a gold member is literally supporting and making this show possible. If it wasn't possible, without the members, I would have to go back doing gigs, which I would love to do, just not possible. Well, COVID killed it. Go back to do gigs, and then I'd be able to all I'd be able to do then is make a couple of videos a week. But that wouldn't allow me to build this global community. So that's why I've done this, and the members have made it possible with their memberships and their super chats and their crypto tips to keep all this possible. So thank you very much for supporting me with your hard-earned money, and I appreciate it. I really do. All right? I really, really do. So thank you ever so much indeed. Let me read a couple more comments. Martin, very good. Happy to be part of the community and support you. God bless. Thank you so much. I think shorts will try to get you down tomorrow, from which might lead to short squeezing. Atwa Haydar, good afternoon to you. Very likely. I'm not selling out. I'm not going anywhere. Thanks, Thomas. Yeah. Now, Mike, for those who don't know, Mike is one of the original members. He has a gold badge. Your badge will turn color after time. And he's been here, and he's the winner of the best badge as well. We have a trophy every year for our most supportive members, and here is the best trophy. And Mike won it, and only 2 people have ever won this. This was given to Paddy from Italy, who watches every day from Italy, even though she doesn't buy any stocks and shares. She just supports everything I do, and all my music in the evening. And then Mike won it because Mike watches every video, shares every video, likes every video, comments on every video, and so on. And we have a competition every year. Anyway, that's Mike. So Mike feels ownership of the family, feels that it's his show, which it is. It is the members' show. It really is. So that's why he's saying thank you. Martin, you are looking at all the updates. Martin, are you looking at all the updates released now? I'm just now ending my show, so I'm done. I'm not doing anything else really now. So no, I'm not doing anything else at the moment. I'm wrapping up the show. If you want to share information, please do. I can't do everything. Are you tracking all the breaking news from space after the close? No, I'm not. I'm relying on you right now because I'm pretty much coming to the end of my broadcast. You are a good man. That's why I'm here to support you. Whatever knowledge and resources I have, I will share. Thank you very much. You could have your own channel on Discord. You can call in every day, share links, phone in. I'd love you to be a part of it. I'd love to know what you know and share with us. Virgin Galactic Holdings files. Oh, we've already said that. Steve Johnson. Yes, we know about the dilution. Filed to sell another 400 million worth of stock. We know that. We reported that. That's why it's down. So yes, Steve, we've covered that. I thought there was something new, but no, we've already covered that. This is the best YouTube channel in the world. I love it. There you go, Mike. So, but I am really happy that it's only gone down to where it is. I said it could go back down to 5, from 7 back to 5, and that's where it's holding. I'm okay with this. I am perfectly okay with this. Anyway, it's time to wrap up the show. A couple of things to mention before we go. Very, very quickly. First of all, tomorrow night's show, after the close, go and share this. Go and share this. This is Sensei Crypto is here. Fantastic. I was hoping that you'd be here. I've been calling you out for a while. Good. Sensei, are you able to call in? I'd like to do a nice piece. This is our sponsor. I'd like to do a piece on our sponsor right now. Sensei, are you available to call in? If not, it doesn't matter. But I'm glad you're here because you can answer some questions. We've been having questions today and yesterday with your service. So we'll do that in a second then. Okay, good. So that's the concert tomorrow night. I want to invite everyone who wants to be part of what we're doing here to follow me on Twitter. And we explained why earlier. There is Twitter. Every Sunday, we put out a newsletter. And we've got a new newsletter now. And we're making it a bit more fun to give you more information. All right. If you look here, we've got a new sign-up page. And we've added, and it's completely optional, to put your name and your birthday. Because I want to send you a birthday card on your birthday. So here is martynlucas.com. Go to the website. You can't call in, no worries, but you can answer questions though, right? Okay. There is the sign up. And you don't have to re-sign it if you don't want to. If you don't want to add your birthday, you don't have to. But if you want to, I'd like to be able to send you a birthday card and all the rest of it. So anyway, I don't mean through the post. I mean just via email. All right. Okay. Done that. Excellent. I'm going to close the broadcast lounge now down. So the phone line is now closed. General chit chat. I've got some information to do. More videos to make for you guys. That's good. So what I'd like to do now is let me change that. We have several sponsors, and we have many more actually that want to sponsor my channel that I decline from. And the reason why I decline, again, it must be for the benefit of the viewers, not just me making money. That doesn't interest me at all. So I want to just for a moment. I'm sorry, I just lost my place then for a moment. It's all these extra. All these extra members I've been trying to deal with today. Okay. Bear with me a second. Okay. Newsletter. Let's rename Martyn Lucas Inc. or something called, I don't know. I know, it's your channel. What do you mean? Newsletter to pass, in my opinion. Newsletter. Let's rename Martyn Lucas Inc. Oh, you mean the newsletter? Is that you mean it's the name newsletter is old fashioned? Is that what you mean? Yeah, I suppose. Give me some ideas. Anyway, so Virgin Galactic's now dropped to $5, 501. Oh, that's a shame. Anyway, I want to just cover this quickly. We'll come back to Virgin Galactic in a second, but it is diving, but it doesn't concern me. I'll just buy more. Sensei Crypto is Ali Tizro. He runs Sensei Crypto. Ali, oh, by the way, Ali, I need to speak to you. If you can call me at some point, let me know. We need to have an important conversation. Sensei's my sponsor. He pays $99 to sponsor my channel, which is the price that I asked for because I want him to benefit from it. That's why, again, I do it. It's worth a lot more now considering the numbers it goes out to, but I want him to do well out of it. He does our crypto challenge. Now, I'm actually on the crypto challenge myself, and I put $1,000 in on Coinbase, and I'm up some 30%, which is great considering we've only invested half of our crypto. And Sensei spends his life studying crypto. My team are all dedicated people to help you, right? And he has several services. He has the giveaways where we give away cash prizes all the time. We have cash giveaways all the time. We gave $150 away a couple of weeks ago, and it was donated to our African charity, which was great. Thank you, Crag, who won that. Sensei has several plans to help you with your crypto, and I am on it. This is what I use. And you can have a paid plan or a free plan. And I want everyone to know that if you are a member of mine, you'll always get a discount and you'll always get the best deal. Okay, so this is the link I'm going to give you to Sensei's website. You can go and sign up or try it out for free, whatever. But if you use my discount code, the LucasAids, you'll always get a lifetime discount and pay less than anyone. Whoever sponsors me now or in the future must be the best deal for my members. Okay? So there it is. I'm going to go back to Virgin Galactic. I'm fully aware that it's diving right now, but I'm not concerned, and I hope you're not. I hope you're not concerned. Okay? So there we go. Go and check that out, and you can go and check out his services and all on his courses, and you can see he's got more things coming. Go and check that out. Thank you, Sensei, and I'm sure he'll answer any questions in the chat if you ask any questions. I'm signed up for the newsletter and added my birthday. Thank you. You're very, very welcome. Yeah, you need to sign up again if you want your birthday added, because I don't know what it is. I can't add it manually, right? Okay. Tomorrow will be hell, says the Tech Freaks. It won't be hell if your portfolio is balanced. Let's just get in context. If your portfolio is balanced, look, I'm down $150 out of 42,000. My Roth IRA is down $200. It's all right. 60,000 is my all-time high. I'm at 58.5, down $1.5 grand. It's not hell. It's not hell. It's opportunity for me to buy less if it goes down, because now we know we've got the flights. Them diluting is exactly what we said would happen. So I need to get off. I've got some work to do. And I'm going to share this information. Daniel, thanks, Martin. I did get to follow most of the day while at work, but I tune in right after work. Thank you, Daniel Wernath. Thank you so much indeed. Okay. I'm going to use this comment here from Sensei. because a lot of people will now want this information. Let me go live here. And it's 2 hours 19. 2 hours 19. Here we go. 2.19. We need to calm people down. Okay. Okay. Let me do this now. Hopefully this will calm people down a little bit. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. I know many of you now are asking what is going on with Virgin Galactic. The markets are going down. My overall portfolio is going down. Let's have a look. Let's go into Virgin Galactic now and have a look. What is going on? Well, it should come as no surprise to you. We've been talking about it for weeks. In fact, talking about it forever. And what we've been talking about has now happened. It's not gone exactly to the cent of where I said it would go, but pretty close. So let's discuss very briefly what is going on with Virgin Galactic in the after hours. Well, we know from experience that Virgin Galactic often post information in the after hours. It just seems to be the way they do things. What has happened? What am I doing? What are you doing? And this video is just intended to keep everybody calm, because I know I'm going to get lots of questions about why has Virgin Galactic gone down. So before I tell you, I will say to you, forever, literally 2 years, I have said consistently, when we get the flight, it would go up to $7 and then fall back to 5 on dilution. That is what has just happened. This is the exact number, if you want to quote me on it. SPCE raises 300 million, seeking another 400 million to expand spacecraft fleet. What they've done is they released more shares, which devalues the shares that you have. It makes them worthless. That's what's gone on right now. That's why the value of the stock has gone down. People are selling because they know the stock is going to go down. However, in my opinion, that's a mistake, and I will tell you why. I said when it got to 7, they would dilute, and it would fall back to 5. Well, we didn't quite get to 7, and now we're back at 490. So it didn't quite get to 7, and it's gone below 5. But thereabouts in the realms. You know, I haven't got a crystal ball, even though some people think I have. And of course, I actually do, but you know what I'm saying. Anyway, that's what's happened. Now, I did say that before this, that if we hadn't have got, and this is why they did it, if we'd only had the Italian flights announced, this would have gone to 150. It's why I didn't chase the stock when it went up. It's why I buy it at 350, 4, around those prices. My average is 396. Why I didn't buy it on the way up. Why I'm not selling it on the way down. Fortunately, we did get some extra information, and that extra information was the fact that we've got regular flights, which is good. Which is why I said it would go to 7 and back down to 5, which is pretty much where it is. In the morning, when we wake up, I would imagine we're going to get the shorters coming in, trying to drive it back down. Because it could go to 150. It could. Let's get realistic, folks. It absolutely could. I don't think it's going to now, though, because the information about the regular flights will hold it up. If it does, I'd buy a ton more. We've got the flights, we've got the bookings, we've got the income coming in, we've got the hotels being built. Everything is great. I've got no issue with this now at all. This is exactly what was expected to happen. I am not surprised that people are selling, but I think it's a lack of understanding of the strength now of the stock and where it's going. I do think... Oh, hang on a minute.
Eric Bsays donated $2.99. I love my Martyn Lucas television. 45.36000000.
Thank you very much indeed. that came through a live. This is a live video. I'm making this. So if you want to do a martynlucas.com/tip, you can do a crypto tip and mentions your favorite Doge, your favorite crypto, and there are no fees, unlike there are with YouTube. So thank you very much for that, Eric B. So what has happened here is exactly what we expected to happen. It's why I didn't chase it on the way up. Now, many of you chased it up to 5 and 6. Now you're holding the bag again. I advised against that. This is not financial advice. This is exactly as expected. Now, I want to add another thing, which is very important. If there wasn't the information about the regular flights, and this information that Sensei just sent in a few moments ago, one of our sponsors, by the way, if we didn't have this information that the money was being used to expand the fleet, it would go down to 150. But we do have the regular flights, and we do have the information about building the fleets. This is all good. This is all good. So I'm happy. A company can't expand, and as shareholders, we want the company to expand because we want the company to make more money to return to the shareholders. So they can't do that without capital investment. And I always said they would raise money. Now, they said on their earnings they wouldn't. However, they wouldn't do it this way. They would find other ways. I said they will. And the reason why I said they will is because I've watched every earnings for the last 2 years, 2.5 hours of earnings every time, and watched the body language, listen, or not watch, we can't see them, but listened in between the lines, read the balance sheet, and I always said this is what was going to happen. This is why that I like buying it at 350, 390. And at that level, I am very confident that I'm always going to be in on the money. Anyway, if you are concerned tonight, if you are worried, I can't stop you from being fearful. The only reason you are fearful is for a few reasons. One, you don't understand the stock. You're just buying it because it's sexy, rock and roll, and it's space, and everybody else is buying space, and it sounds great, and you can't buy SpaceX because you don't have $25,000. Or you've not researched the balance sheet and fully understand the stock. I do, and I was expecting this. If you've just bought at 5, at 6, and you're worried, I can't give financial advice, but I wouldn't be selling because we're not in tax season. We're not looking to post tax losses. Why would you want to sell when next week it's going to be up? This is good news. It's good news for those investing because it means the quality of the stock has just got better. Yes, we've got dilution. Yes, the shares are worth less, but we're building more rocket ships for paying customers. All of that is good. No surprise. They're doing the right thing. If, however, you're a gambler and you bought at the top and now you're concerned because you're thinking, flipping out, I paid 5 and 6. If you dump it now, you're going to be losing money and then you're going to feel really bad when it starts coming up again. So that's my thoughts. I would like your thoughts on that. I've got more videos coming out now. If you look up here, you will see our playlist, and I've got some information sent in today by Lewis, Martin, and others about the celebrities who are flying, the information. I will be posting that as I get through it and as I search it out. If you click up here, it will take you to our special event tomorrow night, Virgin Galactic event tomorrow night. And if you click down here, you'll see the invitation to Beth Moses to join us for our special birthday in a few days' time. Until next time, be calm, be relaxed and informed. Take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. I will put that out as soon as I end this broadcast. Buy more space on a discount, in my opinion. You're dead right. That's exactly right. But make sure that you wait. Do a competition to find a cool name for the newsletter. Okay, Jojo S. I like the idea. I will look into that. Remind me again if I forget, but I'm getting really tired now. I've been going since 6 o'clock this morning. It's now 4:30 in the afternoon. I need to take a break. This is mental. The stock has to be the most volatile, frustrating, but holding. Yes, it is, Lewis. I get you. Nice one, Eric. But that presents opportunity, folks. 2 more days to buy in before maybe a flight takes place. This is a discount. It is. I agree. 100%. I'm not selling. I'm not fearful. I think I've covered everyone's questions. Everyone who wanted to become a member is a member. We're good. Right. We're on target for 1 million views by the birthday. Space to $2? No. Not now. Not with the knowledge. And if it does go that low, there'll be one hell of a short squeeze. I am not at all concerned. I'm not going anywhere. It's a big part of my portfolio. I'm not going anywhere. Anyway, I'm done. I'm extremely tired. I need to go. Okay. Jojo, I got a super chat. Oh, thank you so much for that. Appreciate that. Yeah, I'm done. I am starting to, I don't normally feel it, but I'm actually going, yep, my brain is starting to not work very well. I will check my Facebook. Have I got any friend requests? I have. Okay, I need to do this first because otherwise people are going to be overnight waiting. Okay. Nick Schubert, are you in the chat? And Swank James, are you in the chat? I'm only accepting friend requests from my members here because I've only got a handful of friend requests left. Thank you, Jojo S. Next time, add a comment. It will read it out. So, Swank James and Nick Schubert, are you in the channel? I need you to confirm it's you. Otherwise, I can't accept friend requests from bots or anyone I don't know. I think that's Agent Shu. I've got a funny feeling that's Agent Shu, but I need to know, guys, confirm it's you. Does anybody I need to comment back to on Twitter? Barris liked to stream. James liked. Pablo, if you comment to anything, I will comment back to you. Francesco, I already, didn't I? I posted on your wall. Yes, I've done that. Okay. Before it goes up, it must go down. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. That is very well said. Very well said. What's happening now is all part of it. And the investors will just pick up more if it goes down. For me, I'm just holding my position. I don't need to go anywhere. And I don't even need to add any more. I'm just perfectly okay with it. Okay? It's a great opportunity. Anyway, you do what's right for you, which is fine. The flat cap tipster. Martin, I've just got here. Can you explain what's happened, please, with Virgin Galactic? Is this good or bad? It's good, in my opinion, but they've diluted, that's all. I've got a video coming out now to explain it. I've had videos all day explaining it with what's going on. Here's all the information here on the homepage of my YouTube channel and more. I just added up. Well, you just added some more. Added some more shares, have you? Good for you, mate. Just changing hands, right? Company isn't going anywhere. I think people need to remember we're still 15% up over the 3 months. I don't understand why people are stressed out. We're up nearly 15% over the last 3 months. We're beating the S&P. We're ahead. I mean, there's nothing wrong with this. This is healthy horse trading, if you like. And that's what's going on right now. Right. I'm exhausted. I've got to get out of here. I want to roll the credits. Everyone that took part in today's show will be recognized. If I can ask you, at the end of the stream. Don't forget, first of all, join me tomorrow night for the Virgin Galactic concert to raise awareness around the world as we now go out in many countries. It's 27, in fact. Let's fly the flags. There you go. There's the concert. You've all signed up for the newsletter, martynlucas.com. It's there. And what was I going to ask you to do? For the life of me, I am getting tired. My brain is gone. Oh, yes, that was right. We're trying to get to 1 million views by the birthday, and you could help us. And how you do that is click here. This is the shorts playlist. There are 1,015-second videos. When this broadcast finishes in 1 minute, there is the shorts. And if you want to know where that is, you go to the homepage of my channel, go to the playlist, scroll to the bottom, all right, and there is the shorts playlist right there. And what you do is you click on it and let it run. You can mute it. You might need to check on it every now and again because it might stop after a while to make sure you're still watching. It's a playlist. Can you see here, look? And hopefully this will help us get to 1 million views. We've only been going 2 years, and we're very, very proud of that. Okay, there it is. But now it's time to roll the credits. I'm not going to do day trader of the day. I apologise. I'm literally falling off my chair. Very tired. Let me close this. And roll the credits. If you took part in today's show, you'll be recognised here in the credits. Let's have a look. Our stars of the show today are Eric. Eric B gave me a $2.99 tip via thanks for popping in, Keaton S. Subscribers, Marjo, Doreen, Alandro. That's just the public ones. There are others that, of course, are hidden subscribers. Some people don't share their subscriptions with people. That's the ones that do. And our super chats, A Man from Earth, Jojo S. So thank you very much for the super chats. Thank you for the tips. And all the members, Ali Isles, Sammy, Muma Horik, Dominic Damir, Thomas Khalees, a gold member. We had 2 gold members today. Please make sure that if you want to go on the homepage of my YouTube channel, you take advantage of that top spot. Take advantage of the lifetime discounts for the shop. If you want any of my merchandise, take advantage of that. And there's something very special coming, of course, on Tuesday. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you'll see. You get discounts there. Also, you get those 2 hours of Zoom calls or online calls a month if you want any assistance building a YouTube channel or how I run my studio. And that's it. Thank you for all your support. I can't thank you enough. That's it. I'm done. Put the lights up. Here we go. This is behind the scenes now. No one sees this. Work. There we go. Turn the lights out. Bye-bye, everybody on TikTok. Let me turn that off. Bye-bye for now. End that. All right. Turn the lights out. Behind the scenes now. This is the studio from behind. This is what it looks like. Sometimes I want to share this with you. There you go. Have a little walk around. Thank you very much. I'll see you all back in the morning, as always. Until tomorrow, take care of yourselves. Take care of your crypto. And each other. Bye-bye for now.